Well, day after Christmas, and we've got a white after Christmas.
White after Christmas.
It's the after party. Luckily, it didn't wake the kids up at 6 a.m., just 8:30 a.m. Chelsea and Ashley are already out here. Kaylee and Abby are getting ready, but Kaylee doesn't have pants, so she's got to wait for Jason to get done. But it's a pretty, I mean, this is a lot of snow. I'm just waiting on the email to cancel church because there's no way church is still on. Let's go have fun in the snow.
Her alarm goes off and she gets up to watch the morning news. Doesn't work no more, but tells a lot of stories about it.
How you doing, Chels?
Drinks more lately, got pills in many different colors too. Morning light is showing, she moves the chair to look out at her view.
It gets really in your
But
face.
a shop was built right across the street, and it stands where the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories.
I do.
Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so they got old. Our heroes so they got old. Our heroes so they got
Gonna hit the bush. Are you alright?
It's kept the two apart. Used to have so many visitors, but now the only one is the nurse that helps her move the chair to look out at the sun. But a shop was built right across the street, and it stands where the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons, on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so they got old.
Beer. Huh? Hello. It's so cold. Alright, so Jason and I have come back home. Chelsea and Ashley were still at the park, but Chelsea came home a little cold.
Yeah.
Literally wore the tank top and the shorts. Or did you have pants? But she's cold. I don't know why you're not more dressed than that.
I'm not cold.
But these guys are getting ready to go out. Evelyn is braiding everyone's hair. Thank you, Evelyn.
I said the reason why I'm not cold is because I can't feel my legs.
I mean, it actually is a better way to do it. You actually want to like expose it and warm it up that way. But are you going to go back out? Okay. Dad and I are catching up on dishes. I have laundry to catch up on. I want to go back out one more time and hang out with the kids and stuff, but I have 4 videos to edit, you guys. I have nothing to go out tomorrow. So if you don't see a video out tomorrow, I'll post a picture or a little, explanation, but this is why. Because 1, it's aftermath of Christmas, and 2, like, it snowed. And it never snows here, so it's like, you gotta go and enjoy it while you can. But also, like, life happens. And I've gotta, like...
We have the top of dishes to finish.
I know, like, I have a little, master over here telling me to do dishes.
Okay, so it is coming down. Just crazy coming down. Abby just went out and measured. I'm gonna show you where. Oh, she put the ruler out there. So we have 4 inches, and I think that's a conservative estimate. So let me show you here. That right there is our little fire pit. And if you can see how much, can it zoom? That's like 4 inches of snow, easy. I think there's more, but anyways, still coming down.
Boo? We haven't filmed every single time you come in and out, but this is like a number 3rd or 4th time? 4th? Tell them what you just made. I'll put a picture on the screen. I just got one.
Snow ice cream.
Snow ice cream? How do you make it again? You told Daddy.
You get snow, like 8 cups of snow. Then you get sugar, salt, and vanilla, and then you mix it together.
Was it good?
Yeah.
Yum. And you're freezing now, right?
Yeah, and I'm trying to go to bed.
Okay. Also, this is the state of the room. They usually like take their shoes off here and then sit down on the blanket and get the second shoe off. And we just bagged the whole like boot rack thing. It's still up there. Just because there's so many boots coming in and out that there's no point. And I have been trying to edit our Christmas Eve video for you guys tomorrow. I think it's done. In fact, I should start uploading it really quick. I have to work on the picture, the thumbnail. But the Seahawks are playing, and they're playing here in this snow, and I feel so bad for them. It has got to be so cold. So cold. They are getting paid plenty, and they need to, dang it, win. They need to win. So I don't feel that bad, but still. Let me get this video up for you guys really quick, and then we'll check in with Chelsea. Kaylee and Abby are upstairs with their friend, and yeah, we haven't seen Chelsea for a while, so. Jason and I do want to walk outside again before it gets dark and kind of look around. If it's not snowing, I might throw the drone up. So, we'll see.
Yeah,
how you doing, Chelsea?
Good.
Are you tired?
I'm not tired, my legs are just sore.
Yeah, you've been playing hardcore, girl.
I mean...
But you're soaking wet. You're gonna go...
actually that way. It's just like ice.
Yeah, it's gonna be wet soon then.
We're gonna need to defrost my shoelaces.
Yeah, just come put them in front of the fire. All right, we are gonna go and take Kaylee's friend home. And it is pretty icy out here now. It's 20 degrees outside. So we're gonna, our streets have been plowed, but they're pretty icy now. Jason, he's having fun.
He's enjoying doing this.
Seriously, can we get home safely?
They would take off traction control. How do I turn off traction control?
How about we not play? Because you're gonna go onto a busier street. He's, oh my gosh, you're just donuting up this whole thing. Our back end is going out. You're driving me nuts. He just comes barreling out here. But I will say, my car is like a beast in the snow for being just all-wheel drive. We've had the traction turn on all by itself. We are going down a massive hill, you guys. It is a super steep hill.
More dramatic.
Yeah, the other one was like straight.
Yeah, I just didn't think about it because there's too many. I don't know, whatever.
And then we should have got you acting like a grandma.
I literally came so that he can stop acting like a man-child.
It's not working.
But it's not working, no. I don't know why I came. But my car is doing really good in the snow.
This is a dangerous little turn just because.
We're learning how to like shift it down and turn on the traction itself turns on automatically. Let's see if we can get on the highway safely. All right, see, but then this is where he likes to play when there's no one on the roads.
Look at that.
Oh,
Stops really
crap.
good.
You guys, we're on an on-ramp.
There's no one around us.
Okay. You are giving me a heart attack. There are people on the highway. Can you please just go? No, there's cars. Drive normal. Drive normal.
Ahead of us.
And there's a barrier in between.
You guys, I deal with, like, what am I dealing with here? Okay, thank you for getting us home safely.
You're welcome.
What you really want to do is donuts in the parking lots, correct?
He wants me to do donuts in the parking lot.
Yeah, he wants to take Kaylee to do it.
No, it's good practice, like to just have her go really fast and then hit the brakes hard, so she
And
can
see what it
learn
feels
what
like.
the car does, and then keep it controlled.
I know.
Because that way it won't surprise you when it happens in real life.
I know. All right, we might call it quits tonight, right? At least I'm ready to call it quits.
Yeah, we just gotta get this pumpkin ready for bed.
Yeah. We're very tired, and we're gonna start at 9 o'clock, and hopefully by 9:30, we're gonna be asleep.
No.
Yeah. So we are gonna, Jason and I are night owls. I'll be staying up. But also Kaylee, when they were out with their friends playing in the snow, her friend across the street fell and hit his head. He hit his face, actually. So they've been watching him for like concussion all afternoon. His parents were, and finally decided he wasn't really making all of cognitive sense. So they took him up to the hospital. He's getting some CAT scans and getting checked out or whatever, but we've told them if they need help, or they have a Tesla. So I don't know how their Tesla is gonna do coming back up, going down that hill and all the way back up our hill. So I don't know if they're gonna need our help. I've told them, please, we're night owls. We'll come out and help you anytime if you need anything, especially if they need a ride home. So we're gonna kind of just play it by ear tonight and be ready and buy our phones in case they need our help. Luckily it's Sunday and everyone else is like, we just don't need to go anywhere. So the roads are really open, and for us, we're safe in all-wheel drive. So we can totally go out and help them later tonight if we have to. But otherwise, we are going to say goodnight to you guys. It will be another fun day in the snow tomorrow, unless it gets really that icy, crunchy snow. The kids may not be able to go and play in it necessarily, but we'll definitely get out and walk in it and be outside. It's really fun to have it all snowy here because it doesn't last very long. We do have freezing temperatures all week long. It is starting to snow again tonight, and it's supposed to snow until 2 a.m. and then we'll have 3 days off, and it's supposed to snow again on Thursday. So we are not out of the woods literally with the snow yet, and so I just think it's fun. This is break. We don't have to go anywhere, except for Jason has to go to work in 2 days, but it'll be fun to have the snowy weather for another couple days. We'll enjoy it. But thanks for joining us, and we'll see you guys next time.